Hey, in this video, I'm going to explain more about the market making dashboard. The market making bot is another trading bot type for advanced users, just like the arbitrage bot. We will cover all things shown on the dashboard from top to bottom to help you understand the bot's functionality. But before we get there, let's do a quick recap of what market making is. Why use a market making bot? Users that have a hero subscription have access to the market maker, which is a really exciting feature. But what is market making? Why would you want to use it? Suppose you're a trader and you would like to profit from a big spread. The spread is the difference between the highest bid and the lowest ask. A spread is needed to make profits with a market making bot, as you can place multiple order layers with different percentages in spread. The more order layers get filled, the more profitable the bot becomes. You may also find that market making is right for you if your project or coin doesn't have enough liquidity and your spread is too big, or if you're a starting exchange and need liquidity. In our troubleshooting video for the market maker, we talk more about finding the spread and volume of trading pairs for all exchanges. Your market making dashboard has a few essential parts. The chart will show your selected trading pair with 1-minute candle sizes by default. The less active a trading pair is, the more it needs liquidity. This is where you come in. You can easily spot the trading activity in a chart. When you don't see any candle, or you only see a very thin line, it means that there is not much trading activity yet. Did you know that you can configure many things in the chart and save it as a template? Every time you check your hopper, you will see your saved chart settings. Learn more about this by checking out the charts article in Cryptohopper's documentation. The order book on the right side of the dashboard shows all the current buy and sell orders on your exchange. It's a drag and drop order book, which is great because you can see your live orders in it and drag them to a new position. Enable the manual market makers if you want your manual buy or sell orders linked together. This is great if you're going to keep track of whether you're making a profit or not. It's recommended to try this feature with small orders first. It can't be used when paper trading. The open orders are shown below the chart. With market making, you're trading illiquid markets, so your orders are probably staying open for a more extended period. When clicking on info next to the order, you will see additional information such as the buy or sell rate, the order ID, corresponding buy or sell orders, and the additional actions available. The actions available are cancel order, move to backlog, and remove order. When using the backlog feature of the market making bot, you can keep track of your failed and cancelled market making orders. Keep track of your market maker's orders, buy or sell orders tied together, to see if they will make a profit, and manage unsuccessful orders in the backlog to keep track of when an order isn't successful. When clicking on info, you will see additional order information, and the same actions as shown under open orders will be available. Next to the open orders and backlog orders, you will see market trend. If you've configured a strategy, the market trend will be automatically updated. You can also set it manually. This tab will show the last time the trend changed. Below the market trend, you will see two toggles. When you disable buying and selling, the hopper will still receive data from the exchange, meaning that your open orders and backlog positions will be updated, but the hopper will place no new orders. Just below the toggles, you will see the statistics of your hopper. Here, you can see your total returns, as well as profits in your quote currency. When you click on the question marks, you'll see more information about how Cryptohopper makes the calculations. The start balance shows the amount of funds you own for the coins you trade. Make sure you have enough funds in both currencies of your pair. So if you're trading VRAB to Bitcoin, then you need both Bitcoin and VRAB. Reset the start balance when you start for an optimal profit calculation. The trade history shows the latest single trades your hopper executed. With single trades, I'm referring to either buy or sell trades. You can see additional information if you click on View. You can find a better overview of your trades by clicking on Trade History and then on Market Makers. Below the latest 5 trades, you will find the hopper output. Checking the hopper output is crucial to understand why your hopper is placing or cancelling orders. It will also show errors when the hopper experiences issues. For example, when there aren't enough funds or when the connection to the exchange is interrupted. The manual order tab will make it easy for you when funds of a currency have been depleted. The market you're trading is shown by default. You can choose between limit and market orders and specify the amount you want to buy. We're almost there, hang on. The current assets visualizes all the assets that you own on the exchange. If you want to switch markets, you can easily check whether you have enough funds available. Do you want to switch to a coin that you don't own yet? Ensure that you first have enough funds on the quote currency you want to trade. Then you can easily switch to another trading pair in your base config and manually buy funds in the manual buy tab. The last tab on the dashboard shows the messages. Cryptohopper will post updates of the platform and will share information when specific issues has been fixed. There you go, you made it. So to recap, market making involves buying and selling around the spread, also known as the closest part to the last price in the order book. Market makers do this either to make a profit on a big spread or to help illiquid markets to be more tradable. Every market maker you create will trade one pair. Make sure you have funds in your quote currency and the market you're trading so your market maker can trade for you.